इन दिस वीडियो मैं ऐसे 5 टॉप 20 स्कूल्स के बारे में बात करने वाली हूँ हु हैव वेरी लो फीस जो आपको ग्रेट आरओआई प्रोवाइड करेंगे। एंड इन दिस वीडियो यू वुड फाइंड दैट वन कॉलेज जिसके बारे में आई गेस आपने कभी नहीं सुना होगा। मेक श्योर आप ये वीडियो एंड तक देखें। सो फर्स्ट सच कॉलेज इज FMS दिल्ली। Now, Faculty of Management Studies would be probably only one college जो हर एक MBA aspirant aspire करता है to do an MBA from. FMS की fees it's just 2 lakhs and the packages, the placements that they offer, इनकी average package goes up to 35 lakhs per annum and the highest package being 65 lakhs per annum. In order to succeed your dream of doing MBA in FMS आपके CAT का score accept करती है and your target score should be a 99 plus percentile. So that आपको FMS जैसे टॉप 20 स्कूल से कॉल्स आ जाए। टॉकिंग अबाउट द कंपनीज जो आपको प्लेसमेंट्स में मिलेंगे, आपको टॉप कंसल्टिंग एंड टॉप फाइनेंस कंपनीज मिल जाते हैं यहाँ पे लाइक McKinsey, Bain, etc. Next such B school is probably the very famous one and that's JBIMS Mumbai. JBIMS Mumbai आपके 3 एग्जाम्स के स्कोर्स एक्सेप्ट करता है and that is CAT, MHCT and CMAT. अगेन ये तीनों ही एग्जाम्स यू नीड टू मेक श्योर कि आप एटलीस्ट एक 98 परसेंटाइल टारगेट कर रहे हो so that you can get admitted into JBIMS Mumbai for management programs. Talking about the fees, it's just 6 lakhs and the average package goes up to 28 lakhs per annum, highest package being 35 lakhs per annum. Talking about the companies जो आपको placement में मिलेंगी, you'll get a wide range of companies here, including the top consulting ones, JP Morgan, Deloitte, Accenture, Amazon, etc. Thirdly, it's TIS Mumbai. Now, TIS Mumbai आपकी अलग से एक एग्जाम कराते हैं for admissions into TIS and that is TISNET, which is somewhat relatable to all the other management exams. It's just इसमें GK and current affairs एक अलग section add on हो जाता है. Now, the ideal score जो आपको consider करना चाहिए to get admitted into TIS, तो TISNET में अगर आप एक 99 percentile score कर देते हो, it's very much advisable कि आपको TIS Mumbai से calls आ सकते हैं. Talking about the fees, it's just 3 lakhs rupees and the average package that they offer it's 27 lakhs per annum and the highest package ranges up to 49 lakhs per annum. Companies like L&T, HSBC and ITC, यहाँ पे ये सारे companies आपको placements में दिखेंगी under TIS Mumbai. Next we have SimShree. SimShree Mumbai again आपके 3 exams के scores accept करता है and that's CAT, MHCT and CMAT. Again, a percentile of around 95 plus would be ideal अगर आपको SimShree में admissions चाहिए for your MBA. With fees of around 2 lakh rupees, the average package that SimShree offers is around 17 LPA and the highest package ranges up to 24 LPA. Talking about the placement companies, Godrej and Boyce, Google and Hyundai, ये सारी companies आपको दिखेंगी under placements for SimShree. And finally, we have DFS. Now, DFS is one of the primary institute under Delhi University for management programs. With fees of around 3 lakhs, the average package that DFS offers is around 14 LPA and the highest package goes up to 27 LPA. Again, DFS आपके CAT का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट करता है and the ideal score जो आपको कंसिडर करना चाहिए under CAT would be a 98 percentile. Talking about the placement companies, आपको top IT companies मिलेंगी यहाँ. That's Infosys, Genpact, Wipro, HP and etc. तो ये कुछ top 20 schools थे जो आप टारगेट कर सकते हो who have low fees and provide you with great ROI. This might sound very pleasing to you कि इनकी low fees है या आपको great ROI provide करे, but you'll have to work so much harder for this. And अगर आप चाहते हो that you need some kind of help in your preparation journey, you can check out iQuanta's courses, जिसके लिंक मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में शेयर कर दूंगी. All the very best and see you soon.